Hey, this is Pro-X Dryer Vent Cleaning in Oklahoma City. I'm going to show you a really simple trick to make it easier to get this on and off, both the wall and the dryer. It involves reinforcing this end with some tape. And if you do this, it makes a huge difference. The first thing you need to do is clean up the end. If you need to snip off some holes or anything, do that. But you just want a nice smooth end. Give it some pressure so it opens up a little bit. And then take a strip of tape. I use this flex metal tape. You can use some foil tape, but this one I like because it's a little flexible, so it tends to work a little better, but any kind of metal tape would help. You can use duct tape, but sometimes the heat will loosen the adhesive over time, so something like this seems to work better. This is designed for ducting, dryer vents, stuff like that. So I take a strip of tape like that, and I put it on the end, and I'm gonna wrap the end like so. So now, and then pull it a little bit so I can take out these ripples on the inside. So I'm gonna pull it and tape the end. So what I have now is you've got this end, which is scrunched up and loose, and you've got this end, which is nice and tight and reinforced. And we can do the same thing to this end. This end will go on the dryer. Just like that. Now we're gonna tug it to get some of these, again, these seams out of the inside, the little ripples. Okay, so see, now you have this end ready to go into the dryer, this ready to go into the wall. I've got my clamp here. Oh, I'm gonna put my clamp on here to start with. Okay, and then this is ready to go on the wall side. So mine, in this case, is a little bit of an oval shape, so I can turn this into an oval shape, and it'll easily slide on there. Just like that. And we can take this. See, so now, not only was it easy to put on there, but because I put the tape on it, it gives a little more protection against this clamp. When I bite down on it, it doesn't tear a hole into the vent. So the tape helps. Same thing on this side. Let's get this prepared. Okay, so now this is ready to slip onto the dryer. Okay, just make sure my camera's right. Okay, all right, so we're gonna pull this. Actually, this is another good tip. Before you yank this to the ending point, actually collapse it down and find the position that it wants to rest at, which is here. This is where it's gonna end up. And this is where you're gonna pull it to the end and keep it same position. Do you see how it's loose here? How it's rippled, or it looks weird coming out. But whenever I push it back, it's gonna be perfect, like that. Whereas if I pull it out here straight and then go back, this is where you're gonna get those bends and stuff. So start it out in the final position, keep that same position on the end, and then pull that to the dryer. Okay. So now we got, okay. Well, that screw. Well, that screw is stripped, so I'm gonna fix it. But anyway, that's all you would do. You would bite down on it just like that, And once I push this dryer back, all these little kinks are gonna go away and it's gonna collapse really nicely and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.